The replace function replaces a set of characters in a string with another set of characters or an empty string. Here is syntax for the replace function. The arguments that are contained within square brackets are optional and you can provide values only if required. Expression. This is the string that you will be searching. In a query environment, you can use the name of a field to specify that you are evaluating all the row values of that field. Find. This is the string you need to find and replace. Replace. This is the string that you would be replacing the string in the find. Start. The position in the string that you wish to start at. If omitted, this starts at position 1, that is the beginning of the string. The return value of the replace function is a string with substitutions made that begins at the position specified by start and concludes at the end of the expression string. It is not a copy of the original string from the start to finish. Count. Number of times you want the function to find the find string and replace it with the replace string. If count is omitted, the function will replace all the occurrences. On the Create tab in the Queries group, click on Query Design, add the table Replace, add the field Code. In the field row, right-click an empty column and then click on Zoom in the shortcut menu. To replace all occurrences of RF in the code field with XX, use this expression. Pass the field code as expression. Pass RF for the find and XX for replace. Click on OK. Run the query. This query will replace all occurrences of RF in the code with XX. We can limit the replace function to just replace the first two instances of RF while leaving the last one as it is. Enter this expression. Pass 2 for count. Click on OK. Run the query. This query will replace the first two occurrences of RF in the code field with XX and leave the last one as it is. If you want to return only the string starting from 12th position and replace all instances of RF, use this expression. Pass 12 for start. Run the query. The query returns the string starting at position 12 and replacing all the instances of RF. If the expression is 0 length, replace returns 0 length string. For example, we have an empty string and the query returned an empty string. If expression is null, replace returns an error. You can use the replace function to remove a set of characters from a string. To remove hyphen from the code values, use this expression. Pass empty string for the replace argument. Run the query. All the hyphens are removed. If start is greater than length of expression, replace returns a 0 length string. If count is 0, replace returns the copy of expression. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.